Make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell to receive helpful tips on how to relieve pain. If you have any questions, put it in the comment section down below.
With the pain in my arm.
You cannot sleep because of the pain of your arm. Let me see your range of motion for your arm, because you said you have an arm issue. Let's lift this arm. Oh.
Ow.
How much pain from 0 to 10?
Like 6, 7.
Okay, let's do the front. Like this. Can you do that?
No, I
Okay.
can't.
So relax this arm. Okay. Let's do this. How much pain from 0 to 10?
Like 5, 6.
5. And the side?
No.
Thumb up when you do that. Turn thumb up. Okay. And you said you had this pain after someone worked on it?
Yeah.
Yeah, so you had normal range of motion for someone work on it, and they were very aggressive
Yeah.
with the
So,
mobilization on your jaw. Okay. So we have a couple of issues here, working on it. Okay. Okay, let me know if that's painful, okay? Is that painful?
mhm.
I'm sure it's not painful, okay? Look at that!
Oh my goodness. That's great.
Alright, let's do the side. Oh, look at this, look at this.
Oh yes.
Yeah, are you
Okay.
trying to show off? You trying to show off here? Alright. So we just worked on 2 spots here that cause the tightness in the shoulder. That's good, yeah. Yeah. So let me do another spot here and
Okay.
see if we can get you more range of motion, okay? Alright, let's try it again. Front. Almost there. That's beautiful. Okay, let's do the side. Look at that. That's a full range of motion. Look at this.
Wow.
Look at this.
That's pretty good.
Let's do the front and tell me where do you feel the tightness, because you feel it
Here.
right here. Okay.
Yeah.
Let's do this. You're originally coming for your jaw, yeah? Okay.
Yeah.
Let's see, after working on this, how you feel. Look up nice and tall. Is that painful? It's okay.
No.
Okay. Let's try it again. Up. Look at that. That's beautiful. Okay, let's do the side. All right, awesome. What do you think about ASTR treatment?
Oh my God. I can't believe this. Really.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, do you feel any pain or the pain is gone?
No pain at
So
all.
the 7 out of 10, no
And
headache?
when I'm here,
Yeah,
oh my God, I can stand the pain.
yeah, yeah. So the headache is gone, the jaw pain is gone, the shoulder pain is gone?
Yeah.
Right, awesome. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Oh.
You can treat your pain at home and get similar results as what you just seen in this video. Simply click the link on the screen to start our home treatment program and begin your journey of healing, or go to asterinstitute.com.